Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through the most favorite collection of borderless fancy soft silk sarees. The material is soft, light in weight and comfortable to wear. Beautiful and unique putta designs are there running all over the body, along with a contrast or running rich pallu and plain blouse. Silver, copper and golden sarees have been used for weaving. And this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. As it's a fast moving collection, grab your order soon. And please avoid making direct calls, and also note our payment mode is through online only. If you guys wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there in the description. We are having separate WhatsApp groups for cotton sarees and silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. And moving to the second set is again soft silk collection. It's a premium quality soft silk sarees coming with and without borders. And this set you are getting in a price of 1500 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.